All right, so I'm with my friend here, Tatiana. She's actually gonna try her first fig. Like she never had a fig. This will be her first fresh fig, and I just want to capture like an authentic uh, sentiment that she would feel and experience, and give her take of what she thinks of a fig. We've talked many times before about it having a fig and trying it out, but she never got it. The fig she's actually gonna try. The fig we got over here is called actually the Palestinian Dark. This one is a berry fig. You can see right there. It was supposed to be full, but somebody got hungry and decided to chomp away at it real quick. But we're gonna go ahead and let her try it out, and then we'll get a feedback from it. So go ahead, take a bite.
Okay.
Just chewing, chewing.
It's very refreshing.
Okay,
Sweet.
okay. What do
Not
you?
seedy. Doesn't taste seedy to me.
Okay.
Kind of tastes like not a plum, but I don't know, just like a
With strawberry, maybe, or blueberry, banana, melon.
melon,
Okay.
banana, peachy,
Okay,
all of those type of fruits in one. It's really good.
gotcha. Would you recommend? Would you try
10
it
out of
again?
10.
10 out, whoa, 10,
10
out of 10. Wow, so that would mean that you'd go for it again.
Yeah.
All right, so we got another fig maniac in
Yeah.
here
Big
brewing.
lover.
All right, that's it. That's a wrap.
That's